Hi, I'm Milanjarian. I am working as a Java programmer in Spiro Solutions Private Limited. I am going to explain the concept about the collaborative writing tool on cloud. This project is mainly used for the students to making the document in the collaborative manner. The problem of making the document in collaborative manner is the understand problem. To make this concept in existing, they are preparing the document by using the synchronized based. Synchronized based means students can make the document in collaborative manner one by one. The problem is one student developed a document have to understandable for the second student, for the co-writers. To achieving this concept, here in our proposed we are using the synchronized based model with the Glossaire technique. Glossaire technique means suppose we having 3 students, they are accessing with the tool to develop the document. When first student complete the document, we have to generate some automatic question. The student have to answer for that question. By using that question, we have to generate feedback. By using the feedback, the second student can easily understand the first student document. Like this, how many students are preparing the same document, that feedback and the document is forward to the co-writers. After finishing the document is forward to the assignment manager. Assignment manager have to verify the document. If there is any correction, means the correction will be forwarded to the student. After the corrections done by the student, it will be accepted by the assignment manager. After the acceptance, it will be the document converted to the .pdf file. Okay, it will be happen in the synchronized based. And we also having another technique is a asynchronous based. Asynchronous based means the 3 students can develop the document at the same time. If the three students are developing the document at the same time, means the problem is I can't use the automatic question generation under Glossaire technique. To achieving this concept, we have to save the document at every 20 seconds. When the document is saved, it automatically buffer on the co-writer's screen. By using this concept, we can easily understandable for the document for the co-writers. Here also we are using the assignment manager to correct the correction code, and here we are using another one technique for compile the document. And now I explain the concept with the system architecture. Here I having one cloud. This is there's 2 students are going to develop the document by synchronized pattern, and these students are going to develop the document by the asynchronous pattern. When the students are trying to develop the document synchronized pattern, first student have to access the cloud and he write the document first. When he finish the document, he asks some questions based on the document. By using these answers, I generate some feedback. When student forward the document, this feedback is also forward to the second student. By using this student, he can understand the first student document. Like that, he can forward to the second student. Finally, this document is forward to the assignment manager. Assignment manager can make the correction and he can forward to the student. Next, in the asynchronous pattern, 2 students develop the document in the same time. Here, student 1 and student 2. In the API, we are going to show the second student references and the document. Here, we are going to save the document at every second. By using these 2 techniques, we can improve the students' writing skill on cloud. Thank you.